Alright, so we continue with the fixes now. I'm going to take care of that big glob of GB weld here and there too. So what I'm going to do is going to sand it down and then go up by the grits. I'm probably going to start with 80 grit, maybe go to 320, 400, 600, then 1000, and polish the entire headlight. Yeah, that is the plan to attack. And after I do that, when it looks good, then I'm gonna take care of the corners right here. So I'm gonna paint them black, so it doesn't look that bad. It's the one that looks really bad, as you can see here, and the edges here. It just looks bad all around. Oh my God! And it came off. Look at that. Oh Jesus Christ! It came off again. As you can see, I had to reheat the lens because it is warped, and it did damage again my design, and it damaged the side marker right here because it ate through it, the heat. But I managed to clean it up, and that's why you can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna take it out. That is what it is. Now I'm gonna move on to this side, like the plan was. Sand it down, see how it comes out. So as I was masking it, when I got to the corner again, I noticed that this side is coming loose again too. Look at that. The freaking butyrol thing is just breaking apart. And after furthermore inspection, the top is coming off, and here too. And the butyrol is coming off here too, in the bottom. It was here, here, and here. So the whole damn thing is not holding because they don't want to hold. On top of that, we are gonna try to do the eyelids on this car. Now I've been putting this off for a long time, but I think it's time that I could try to put the eyelids and make it a little meaner. It's my first time also, so let's see how it looks. So here is the final look of the eyebrows. Now I know, what are you guys thinking? This hood is like way out of place now. Now you can really see that this hood is not really the color of the G. This is like slightly or close to a color of that. Like in some angles it matches perfectly, but it's like the goldish-ish G color. It's not the KW3, I think it is, which is that one. So yeah, so now it looks kind of out of place, but this is the eyelids. Now I love how this one came out, but as you can see, everything looks good, everything looks aligned. I love it. It's like right on there. But then this one, because of the clip, it's too far out. So it has like a huge gap, so it doesn't look as flush here as I would like it to be here, see what I'm saying? So that's why this, I don't like it. Now here, it's like a straight line, and then it cuts up a little bit too aggressive for my taste. But I'm gonna leave it there just because I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna keep this housing and fix the clips or replace the entire housing. All right, I lied. Hey! Well, I didn't lie. I was gonna leave it like that, but I had to change it. I'm sorry. I just could not do it. I had to redo it. See, as you can see, the line is much straighter and it comes a little bit more down. And the reason I had to take it off and redo it, it wasn't only because the edge was a little too rough for me, like I said, but because when I closed the hood, I cut like right through here. But then when I closed the hood, because of the gap, you can actually see like the, like the faded housing there. What I did was I had to redo it so I could leave more wrap here. As you can see, it's dirty, it's not clamping on, but I'm gonna glue it off camera so it can stay there. So when I close the hood here, it doesn't look bad. It looks like it's covered up. And I stretched the corners here because it used to finish like around here. And then on this side, it finishes in the bottom. So like, you know what? It's just too much. So I just took a new piece and redid it. It actually looks way better. So there you go. Let me close it up and show you how it looks now. It is done. The eyelids are finally done. The hood, like I said, is going to be wrapped real soon. So stay tuned for that. This is just part of the Spyder build. To recount the Spyder build, we have the custom headlights with the RGB rings and the copper line. We have the black roof top with the signature black pillars with the black LED mirrors. And now we have the black eyelids, which is going to be accompanied by the black or carbon fiber hood, maybe carbon fiber fenders. Now I need one because this nonsense right here. That's another story. In the back we have the black trunk, and we have finally the custom made taillights with the copper accents and the copper dots and the halo Ferrari style single halo style taillights. That was a mouthful. But yeah, this is a part of the Spyder build. Now the Spyder build isn't done yet. What's missing is the hood, of course. It's missing the LEDs on the side with mirrors. It's missing the emblem here, which I'm trying to get. And I'm missing the fixed rims because those rims are not gonna be that color. There's gonna be a special color. I'm not gonna reveal it yet. I'm gonna fix or try to fix those rims. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. And for my first time doing the eyelids, I think they came out pretty good. So if you guys are liking this transformation or the Spyder build, please give me a like on this video. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay put up. Peace.